Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You will start right away by preparing the icon image and launching shortcuts. Make sure the app you want to recolor is installed and iOS is updated. Once done, create a new shortcut, add the action Open App, and select the target app. You need a square image in Photos that shows the color you want. A PNG with solid background or transparency works best. This avoids extra apps and gets you straight into the Add to Home screen step. Continue by naming the shortcut and tapping the three-dot menu to access Add to Home screen. Now, press the icon thumbnail and choose Select Photo. Pick the colored PNG or image from Photos that matches the app color you want. Make sure the file name and image dimensions look square to avoid distortion. Once selected, adjust the visible crop so the color fills the icon. Confirm the home screen name. This becomes the label under your new colored icon. Finish by tapping Add to place that custom-colored shortcut on your home screen. Once it appears, you can move or hide the original app icon to avoid duplicates. If the look is off, make sure the image is square and not overly large. Recreate or crop the PNG in Photos and repeat Add to Home screen. If the shortcut opens the app slowly or shows a splash, restart the device. If the icon won't update, delete the shortcut and rebuild it using the corrected image.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.